my heart through the morning light. A brand new sunrise breaks from night. Your gentle grace floods with light. Father, I lift my praise to you. My grateful heart restored, renewed. Oh, how you can paint the sky with love. Please keep me steady in everything that I do. Guide my steps each and every day. I need your strength. Please change my shaking inside. Please hold me close, hold me tight, keep me safe, hold me tight. I will walk in your light, in your light, in your light. Keep me close to you, close, Lord. Keep me pure, keep me humble, keep me praying. Lead me through the darkest night. Jesus, you calm the storms inside me. Lift the burdens, I can't carry them anymore. Teach me kindness from your heart. I need your blood to set me free. Teach me kindness, Holy Spirit, lead me. Let every word and every thought reflect the hope that your cross has brought. Your cross has brought. Show me purpose in each new friend that I meet. Let your love become the way that I see others. Your love, your eyes, your care, your heart, your kindness. Hold my heart through these cold, dark nights. Lead my soul as the days grow brighter. Hold my heart